Hey y'all, Florida again with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We have another vehicle spotlight for you. This is a 2013 Chevy Silverado 1500 sitting on a 7.5 rough country and some 20x12s. Let's go.
Trucks decked out, rolling through the wood and it flexed out. Rims so big and the windows black, got the knob all lit up, double chromed out stacks. Yeah, we love to get them dirty, but still they so clean. Custom Offsets team chances the team, we on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game.
All right, so like I said, 2013 Chevy Silverado 1500. Now this one has a 7.5 rough country kit, and you guys have seen that kit before, but this one's a little different. So if you come in here, you'll see that this is a complete replacement lift strut. So all you do is swap over the stock spring onto the new lift strut, and that's what gets you your 7.5 inches of lift. And then this also has the diff drop and the spacers and everything down here to get your angles correct so you're not wearing out parts faster. So for wheels and tires, this is the 20x12 Moto Metal 962. You can see it's in the chrome finish here. It's just a flat lip all the way around, so you don't have your rivets. A really clean look on the Moto Metals. We'll get you a build test here. It's gonna be your standard 6-inch lip on a 12 wide. So right back to the edge there, you get just shy of that full 6 inches. And then for tires, he's running the Atturo Trailblade XT. This is a 35 tall by 12.5 wide. Now these Atturos tend to run just a little narrow, so you can see it's not a stretch sidewall, but the tread is a little narrower compared to where the wheel is. So you can kind of see that straight there. And as far as stance goes, he's sticking out, you know, pretty good here, 4+ inches. So really aggressive fitment on there. And because of that, you do have to do a little bit of trimming. So up front, this inner liner, this plastic liner is heated up, and you push that forward. So that gets you a little more clearance in here. The bottom of the bumper is just trimmed off here, and then the lower valance is completely removed. So that's how you get your front clearance. In the back, we call it a mini NorCal, so you don't have to go quite so aggressive, but you do have to get in here, open this up, pull it back, hit the metal back in there with a hammer, and then again, heat this plastic up, sink it back, and then secure it again with your fasteners. Out back, so this has the new Rough Country Performance Series shocks, the 2.2. So one thing to note is they mount upside down, I guess, compared to the regular ones. So the body is on top rather than on the bottom. And then to square up the stance in the rear, he's running the 2-inch spacers so that these match the front track width and get you that perfect line down the side. Fitment issues, obviously, none back here. I'll just walk you back up front and take a peek at the inside. Nothing too special, but we just like to show you what it looks like on the inside of these trucks too. That cloth interior, he's got the seat covers on there. Up front, it's all stock here. But overall, really sharp looking truck. You know, the chrome goes well with the chrome bumpers and accent and trim on everything on there, so looks pretty nice. That's about it for this one. That's your 2013 Chevy Silverado 1500 on a 7.5-inch rough country, the new one, and the 20x12 Moto Metals. Make sure you like us on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube. It's youtube.com/Custom Offsets TV. Peace.